What's the meaning of biographical? Biographical. Biographical.
Biographical. Biographical. The term biographical typically refers to something related to the life story of an individual. It can apply to various forms of media, such as books, films, or even articles, that chronicle the experiences and events of a person's life. Biographical works often provide insight into the subject's personality, motivations, and achievements, while also sharing details about their upbringing, education, and personal relationships. These types of stories can help us understand and appreciate the unique experiences and contributions of different people throughout history, as well as provide inspiration for our own personal growth and development.